Whoa, guys, look at that. Look at that. So I just jumped into the market and there's a massive spike. You can see here, it's a massive spike, bro. Look at that. So we're swimming in good profit right now on P1000. So this is the strategy I promised you guys. So I'll be telling you or showing you how to make use of this strategy, the settings and everything you need to know. So make sure you watch this video to the very end to learn how to use this strategy. It's crazy. You make so much money with this strategy. Trust me, I'm not joking. You make good money with this strategy. I'm not lying. I'm not joking here. You can see what just happened now. I just opened a position right there and there was a spike in just seconds. Okay, so this strategy is crazy. Trust me, I'm not joking. I'm not joking, guys. Look at that. So I'm about to show you guys the settings and everything you need to know about this strategy. But before then, let me quickly show you guys my free Telegram channel. Making so much money. This is a free Telegram channel. I've given like 2 signals here on the free platform. This is the free platform. You're given VIX 50, sell VIX 50. This is it. I dropped the analysis. You can see both TP and SL right there. Then we were running good profits, we're swimming good profits right there. And I told them to secure some profit because it started pushing up. Then I gave another signal again to the free guys. I gave the B500 to buy B500 and we made some profit. So this is free Telegram channel and we're making good money, right? Bro, I'm the best when it comes to making money on boom and crash. We kill it. So I'll quickly show you guys how to make use of this strategy. Please, this video will be very informative and very helpful. I'll advise you guys or plead with you guys to show me some love by smashing the like button, the subscribe button, and joining the free Telegram channel. And don't forget to share our videos and drop some good comments as well. Right, so yeah, let me quickly close this out before we move on. We just catch some spikes on the P1000. So I'll quickly show you guys how to use this strategy. You're waiting for market to get to the oversold level on the P1000, the oversold level here, which is here, and here also. This is our oversold level here. Market drops to the oversold level, which is level 10 or 20. All right, so in this case now market dropped down to this point. Why? Because we are whenever you see tiny spikes like this one here, start seeing tiny spikes, know that market is likely gonna drop for a while. Okay, it's gonna drop for a while, so you need to be very, very flexible. You need to be very conscious that you don't jump in immediately, start seeing those tiny spikes, because it might not spike anytime soon. And secondly, if you know price action very well, you see that market was dropping down from this point and this was a strong sell before the spike came through. So in a situation like this, you don't have to quickly start selling. You must wait for market to get to the oversold very, very well before you jump in. And see what just happened. I immediately jumped in. There was a long massive spike. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So now the settings for the strategy. First of all, this strategy is to catch spikes on boom and crash. So I'll show you how to catch spike on boom. I don't want it to be very long. So on the boom market, you're waiting for market to get to the oversold level. Like I showed you, you should stay on the third zone level. We have 1, 2, and 3. You stay on the third zoom level to catch spikes on this boom market. Oh, there was a massive spike there again. So yeah, to catch spikes on boom. Then screen positioning. So just move your screen to the middle, centralize it for better result view, so you'll be able to see what is happening very well. And also, you don't scalp with this strategy for now, like what I'm trying to say. This is for catching up spikes. Okay, this is for catching up spikes. And also we use 1 minute time frame to trade this strategy. 1 minute time frame. Stay on the 1 minute time frame and wait for market to get to this point. So let me quickly show you guys the indicator setting. We have the first indicator you're bringing in would be RSI. I think I should delete everything completely and place them again so that you'll be able to follow up. So when you're bringing in your indicator, that will be here, this is where you're clicking. I won't be able to get to that point, but you're clicking that F icon, that F icon. You click there and click on this plus sign here. Yeah, so you're bringing in, first of all, the first thing you're bringing in will be RSI. You're bringing in RSI. Okay, so the RSI you're bringing in will be period is 12. Typical price, apply to typical price. And the levels here we have we delete these ones. We only need level 10 and level 90, 10 and 90. Then here is black. Use black, choose the black color, and you click on done. All right, then down here where you have style, you use blue. I'm using blue, you can use blue as well. You click on done. Okay, so that's the first indicator here, indicator window right here. Oh, sorry. Here you're not bringing, this place should be, this place for the first indicator, this place should be white. This place is white, and yeah, this place is white, so that it does not show on your chart, right? You click on done. Remember, the period is 12. Apply to typical price. Levels here we have 10 and 20 and 90. 10 and 90. The color is white because you don't want it to be shown on your chart. You click on done. Yeah. Then you go back again. You click that same place here. You go back again. You click on the plus sign here on the indicator window 1. Click on that plus sign, and you're bringing in MA, moving average. So the period here is 10. Apply to shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. The levels here we have the style here. You can see the style. I'm using blue. You can use blue as your style, and you click on done. Right, that's the blue indicator we have right here inside. Then you click on the icon again, go back, and on the indicator window 1 again, you click on the plus sign and bring in your CCI, commodity channel index. You bring that in. The period is 420. Typical price levels here we have minus 100 and 100. Style should be white because you don't want it to be shown. It should be white completely. Want it to be shown on the charts, and you click on done. Then under styles here, you use red color. I'm using red, you can use red too. You click on done. That's the red indicator we have here. Okay, then you go back again. This time around, you're clicking on the main window. Click on that plus sign there, and you're bringing in RSI. You tap on the RSI. The period here now will be 16. The period is 16. Then apply to typical price. Okay. Then the levels here we have 20 and we have 80. Okay. You click on done. Then style. You change the color to blue. Using blue. You're using blue there. Alright. You're using blue. You click on done. Now, that's the indicators we have there. So, whenever market gets to the oversold level 10 here, and you confirm on the indicator window 2 that you have the same confirmation market on the level 20 or level 10 you're buying. Let's see let's back test. You can see here we had the same confirmation here, and there was a spike. There was a spike, right? We had the same thing here. There was a spike. The same thing right there. Okay, same thing right here. There was a spike. Same thing here. There was a spike. Same thing here. We had spikes. Right? We had spikes. So whenever market gets to those points, it spikes. So you can use it to trade B1000 and B500. Cash spikes on B1000 and B500. All right. So That's how to catch spikes on boom and crash. So guys, kindly tell me what you want us to do next. All right, what you want us to do next, and yeah, drop some comments. Let's see what you want us to do. Share this video with friends. Let's catch spikes, okay? Let's grow together. Join the team, enroll and join the team. Be our member. Join the inner circle. Start making money. Start making money for yourself. So that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.